Good morning, my patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today again with one of the great Quiltopia updates. And I'm here with Michael from Tailormade. How are you this morning?
Oh, I'm wonderful, thank you.
That's good, that's good. Now don't forget guys, remember you've got to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all these updates with all these great exhibitors, tutors and sponsors, because Michael is going to be one of the sponsors. So subscribe, hit the notification bell and you'll be able to get all the updates. Michael, would you like to introduce yourself and where you're from and what you do?
Sure, I'm Michael Castley from Tailormade, as you can see from the signs behind us. Tailormade, we do sewing cabinets.
Yes.
We've been sort of around now for 10 years.
Wow.
We've seen, we saw a niche in the market a little while ago, thinking that there was a room for more cabinets.
Yes,
and
yes.
We thought, well, let's design some cabinets, and we listened to all the sewers and what they wanted.
And all the different decors that are out now,
And
of
all
course,
that's correct, yes, and we've got some new colours actually to actually enhance those new decors out
wonderful,
there.
yes.
And we've got some new designs too.
Wonderful. And whereabouts are you based?
We're based in Blacktown.
Oh, okay, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yep, nice down in Blacktown, yes.
Yeah, absolutely. And one of our main features of cabinets we like to make sure that we do is we put storage into all the cabinets.
Yes.
Storage is sewing, because you know what sewing's like. Everyone's got bits and pieces.
We got lots of stuff,
and they've got threads, and they've got fabrics and everything.
You got the rulers, you got your pins, you got all sorts of scissors and everything,
Yeah,
yes.
so we give you plenty of storage to make sure you can get into cabinets.
Yes, yes.
And that's what we pride ourselves on.
And you've got cabinets obviously with the big tables, so that if you're quilting or got your quilts on it, that's
We have a full range.
And
We have a full range. We have a full range of quilting cabinets. We have a full range of sewing cabinets. We
Yes.
have smaller cabinets for if you haven't got a big sewing room, you need something
Right.
smaller.
Yes.
We've got compact units.
Yes.
Our units will fold down into smaller units.
Oh, wow.
And we've
Yep.
got,
You got
we've got everything.
Got it all. Okay, the next thing is you're on Quiltopia
We certainly are.
and you've come in as a sponsor.
We certainly have.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you're going to have something a little special. We don't have to tell them now, but you will have a little special something happening at
We
Quiltopia.
will have a wonderful specials at Quiltopia.
Beautiful,
And
yeah.
we are very, very excited to be a sponsor of Quiltopia. A wonderful concept.
It is, yeah.
And we're right behind it.
Yes, with all the international tutors. But you know what? We've got great Australian tutors and that coming as well. You've got the marketplace there at Quiltopia that you'll have as well, that you've got, the ladies can come and actually see, well, you're out the front with all the machines and everything, and then we've got the marketplace with people like me and things like that where you can actually get supplies. So Quiltopia, 3rd to 6th of October, guys. It's on at Rose Hill, down at the racecourse. Yes, Rose Hill Events Centre. Okay, so don't forget to come down. And Michael, thank you so much for helping with
Not
this
a
little
problem
update.
at all.
Yep, and we're looking forward to Quiltopia.
Oh, so am I. Come
Yes.
down and see us.
Come and see us. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've missed any of my videos at all, you can see them just up and down here. They'll come up on the end, and you can watch them from there. So come down to Quiltopia. Don't forget to book your accommodation. Get that good one oversight. It's a long weekend too, so make it a long weekend. We're here the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on Quiltopia. So make it a great weekend for a group of you to come down. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and happy sewing, people. Thank you. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you very much.
That's all right. Thank you.